This is the famous king's bread, super fluffy and already stuffed right out of the oven. In a bowl, let's start by adding 150 milliliters warm milk, 150 milliliters warm water, 90 g melted butter, 2 eggs, 1/2 cup sugar, and 10 g bread yeast. Mix it all well. Add a teaspoon of salt, then gradually mix in 800 g of wheat flour, stirring as you go. At this point, keep adding flour and start kneading until the dough is smooth and doesn't stick to your fingers. With our dough ready, now let's divide it into 2 parts. We'll take a small portion and transfer it to a bowl, adding 50% dark chocolate. I'll use about 3 tablespoons here, and we'll mix thoroughly until the chocolate is fully incorporated. Done that, now let's cover with plastic wrap and let both doughs rest for about 30 minutes. Next, transfer the dough to the counter and start rolling it out with a rolling pin. On top of the white dough, we'll now add our chocolate dough. I'll fill it with dulce de leche and then add chocolate chips. Now let's roll our dough until we reach the halfway point. Once at the halfway point, we'll cut this dough into strips. We'll roll each strip to create the effect in our dough. After that, finish rolling it up completely. Join the 2 ends and transfer to a baking pan of your choice. Let the dough rest for about 30 more minutes, then brush egg yolk on top. Bake in a 180-degree oven for about 50 minutes. Look how incredible this bread turns out, super beautiful and delicious. Make it at home, I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. This was another recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. A big hug to you all. See you next time, thanks.